And then I got to.
I have my own authority. I'm a sovereign citizen, so just don't touch me.
Well, we're going to. So.
Don't touch me.
Cooperate with the pat down.
Sir, please! My dog! Sir! Sir, can you help me? I filed adverse possession. Sir, that's my paperwork! Sir, what about my dog? What about my dog?
Against the
What
wall.
about my dogs? You didn't listen to me!
Stand! Stop resisting!
Correctly!
You want to get tased?
No!
Turn around! Right now!
Turn around!
Turn around!
Sir! I didn't do anything! Oh my God, I paid $4,000!
Stand against the wall and stop resisting now!
I need to call the police because this is wrong! I have my paperwork! You cannot arrest me! You cannot arrest me! Why are you arresting me?
What a joke. That's not our door handle. They took it off.
6-9-189. I can hear dogs. Somebody's coming to the door. You look.
Can you hold on? What a cheek. It's astonishing, isn't it?
He looked out the window and then walked away from the door.
The thing is, the only way to get the lockbox off if you don't know the code is to take the door handle off and throw it away. They came prepared. That's our standard key. That key does all of our properties throughout the U.S.
Hi there.
No.
Come on out.
I have paperwork. Why are you on my property?
10-2-5. Come on out.
No, do not touch
You
me.
need to come outside right
No,
now.
I do not. I know my laws. Sir, get off of my
Jimmy, come on
property.
outside.
I
Don't own the
return
property.
adverse possession with title.
Then you need to come out and talk to me because
Okay,
we have a
I
real
will talk to
outside.
you right there.
Come outside.
Respect my space. You do not have any right to come and grab me.
Did I touch you?
You were trying to grab me
Yeah, because
when I
we're
have
here.
my paperwork.
Then
Sir,
come outside.
this is a civil matter now because I filed adverse possession, sir,
Come
with the state of
outside.
Florida. Sir, get out of my house. I paid $4K down to get this.
Then come outside and discuss that with us.
I will discuss it. You don't have no right to grab me, sir, when I have my paperwork. You are listening to one side of a story. You did not hear me. I am an American citizen. You have no right to step in my house. There is not one way to purchase a home.
You're gonna come outside.
Get
or
out
I
of
will
my house.
remove you from the house.
You cannot remove me from my house with my paperwork, sir.
Can we see the paperwork you have?
State of Florida, adverse possession. Actually, me and my husband had filed this.
You need to come outside.
Okay, well, you need to know your laws because you seem very uneducated about adverse possession. I know what I'm doing.
I'll tell you what, the people who know what they're doing and know that they're doing illegally don't react the way that you do. They don't speak
You
the way
almost
that you do.
grabbed me. I said, give me a minute so that I can put my dogs away, and you grabbed me.
You tried to come running out the back of the house to run. You
Oh,
could have gone out the
why
front
would I
door.
run?
You didn't know I was back
The
here.
front, I saw you from there. See the assumption, sir? One of them came and tried to break in.
That
and
was an
messed up.
agent trying to show the property that is vacant and is not yours. What are you talking about?
First of all, it is.
No, it's not. I've got all the paperwork.
Real
The
estate
offers
in
are-
attempt to establish adverse possession with title. How long has the home been sitting there abandoned?
not
I have
abandoned.
every right to actually.
It's not abandoned.
Yes.
No, it's not. It's
sweetheart,
listed in the
you know
MLS.
Adverse possession.
It's listed
Get
in the MLS.
ignorant-
It's listed in the MLS.
You can't grab me out here.
I'm not grabbing you. You need to get out.
No, he tried to grab me out of here.
yet.
We filed adverse possession on the home already. Thank you. You can be on MLS all it wants to be. Adverse possession is still a law, sweetheart. Thank you. Milo, come inside. Come inside, Milo.
Don't snicker.
I just did.
You'll be out. Don't worry.
I don't care.
Yeah, you will.
I paid
You'll
already.
be out.
I already paid.
You'll be out.
We went to the.
You'll be out. I'll be back in 30 days with the sheriff, and you'll be out.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So okay.
Yeah. Don't
Bye.
worry. You'll be
Bye.
out.
Adverse possession.
Smarty pants.
What's adverse
You know what you're doing? Out you go.
Yeah, whatever.
What's adverse?
He's trying to say it's abandoned. It's not abandoned. There's a sheet in there where
So I didn't end
the
up
contractors
grabbing
come and clean it every week.
We had no
It's not
argument.
abandoned. It's listed. It's been listed for a year. We have showings all the time. It's not abandoned. It's not an abandoned property. So she's lying. She doesn't know what she's talking about. There's a certificate of title.
And he's showing us the certificate of the title right now.
Select Portfolio Servicing.
This is his company.
There's my listing agreement from Select Portfolio Servicing. This is how old the file
Oh,
is.
you're breaking up. I
It's
can't
never
hear.
been abandoned. since we foreclosed on it. My phone number was on the window. She's taken that down.
The realtor said his phone number was even on the window and they took that down.
This was in the window. We don't see it now. I got pictures of it there last week.
Okay.
There's my sign last week, and there you can see the lockbox and our brass door handle. Gone.
Here's where we're at. What she's doing is squatting. They changed the locks, took the locks, that's theft. So we have authority. If you want to break the door down, we can go in and remove her forcefully. We can arrest her with trespassing and theft for stealing the locks. That's entirely up to how far you want to go with this.
Yeah.
Would you rather do it the safer way with minimal risk of damaging the property and doing, like you said, doing the 30 days with the sheriff's office? Or are you wanting her removed immediately now? Because if that's the case, if she doesn't let us back in, if she doesn't come and agree to open the door, which she may not do now because she knows she's probably in the wrong, you will have to be responsible for breaking the door down and paying for the damages.
Well, it's our property anyway. We own it. Whatever damage is there is there. What are they going to do in the month they're there? And the money they're going to cost us by not being able to market it?
I can't answer that.
No, exactly. So you don't think she's going to come to the door anyway?
I mean, we can try again. And I would have German go up there because she doesn't like me, clearly. So she might be willing to come back to the door once he goes up to it. What do you think?
Try it.
Let's try that.
I can't open this door.
Can we see that paperwork again, please? Can we go to the back?
I filed adverse possession.
Can you just meet me in the back door?
Why?
Because I need you to show me that paperwork again.
Stay right there.
She said she's coming out?
Yeah, she says, stay right there. She's going to show me through the window, I guess. He's the one that's going to need to breach this door.
Can he give us permission to kick it in, or does he have to be the one to actually do it?
You're going to make a 70-year-old man risk his old limbs for kicking the door.
I don't know. I don't know what the legal requirements are here. He's a senior officer. He's a master police officer, so he knows this stuff more than I do.
Yeah, let's check the back door. Do you have a screwdriver or drill?
Why would you need a screwdriver and drill?
I have my multi-tool that has a screwdriver in it.
Yeah, it will be faster with a drill. Because that door, like you said, it's been broke, but it's just that little piece of wood is holding it.
Ma'am, you're gonna need to come outside. At least open the door.
Why?
Because I'm ordering you.
You are not my authority.
If you refuse to follow that order, you will be arrested for resisting. Do you want to be arrested for resisting?
Resisting what? I have my paperwork.
Resisting a lawful order.
Give me a second. I'm recording.
Go ahead and record, and then open the door.
You said you wanted to see the paperwork.
We need to see it personally. Come open the door.
Adverse possession means paying the taxes on the home.
If you have no reason to worry, come open the
You
door.
tried to grab me of your assumption, sir.
I'm gonna go grab my multi-tool. If we don't have a drill, we don't have a drill.
Step back. Step back. Step back from the door. Step away from the door. Step away from the door. Sir, step away. Tell this man to step away.
Just step away just a little.
I need to see him. I filed adverse possession on the 20th.
Can I see that?
Yes. You can hold, you don't have to hold it, sir. This is the original copy.
Okay.
As you can see, this is the adverse possession
Okay. What's
of
your
the
name?
state of Florida. Ashley.
Okay.
Now, I know what I'm doing because this is not the only property that I pay taxes on. You pay a portion of taxes for adverse possession. And you start cleaning up the home so you can take over the home. Milo, come inside now. Melody, inside. So no longer, this is not in your hand. This is a court civil case where we fight and we show them that we're going to be paying taxes on the home. When you pay a portion of the taxes, you go to the appraisal office and you pay a portion of the taxes on the home. This home has been sitting. That's why adverse possession exists. That's not my fault that you can't do your job and you can't
legally foreclosed on.
If you are a real estate agent, that means you have to sell in a limited time.
You know nothing about what you're talking about.
Yes, I do. It's called adverse possession.
$575,000 was paid for this property in January of last year at foreclosure sale.
Yeah.
That makes it legally the owner's property. It has
No,
not
it
been
doesn't-
abandoned. I have pictures of the property every week, date and time stamp, which will go to the court. You are wrong. It
No,
was never
you are
abandoned,
wrong.
And
You
we are
the-
maintaining
okay,
the property,
and
all right?
maintaining it. What's
Yeah.
wrong with the pool
Yeah.
and the frogs?
Yeah.
And what's wrong
Doesn't
with
do any difference at all.
that's not maintaining.
Makes no difference. The property, and we have not abandoned it.
I'm going to
We're here
civil
every
court.
10 days.
10:15, let's make it.
So your criteria are wrong.
No, my criteria, sir, you cannot grab me, sir.
Do not resist.
Sir, you
Do not
cannot grab.
resist.
I have dogs. Sir, I filed adverse possession.
Stop resisting!
I filed adverse possession. I did it the right way. Stop, sir, please. My dogs, sir. Sir, can you help me? I filed adverse possession. Sir, that's my paperwork. Sir, what about my dogs? What about my
Against the wall. Against the
What
wall.
about my dogs? You didn't listen to me.
Stand.
You
Stop
didn't
resisting.
listen correctly.
You want to get tased?
No.
Turn around right now.
Turn around.
Turn around.
I didn't do anything. Oh my God, I paid $4,000.
Stop resisting.
Stand against the wall and stop resisting now.
I need to call the police because this is wrong. I have my paperwork. You cannot arrest me. You cannot arrest me. Why are you arresting me? Are you serious? Why am I being arrested? I have rights.
I told you, burglary, trespassing,
This
and
is
theft.
not burglary. I have the paperwork, sir. I went through the appraisal. State appraisal. They gave me the key. Oh my God, sir.
And now you're being charged with resisting.
I have my MacBook Pro. Wait, let's go inside. I have to. My
Get
dog.
everything. We'll get everything.
I can't do this again. Sir, are you pressing charges?
It's up to the bank.
Are you pressing charges?
If this officer falls in the water because you won't cooperate,
What about my
You're gonna be
stuff?
We'll get it for you.
I wasn't the one who did it. What about my husband?
stop resisting. Stop.
Leave me alone. Sir, please.
Stop spitting in my face.
I'm not. That's not fair because I had my paperwork. You're racist, and I'm coming for you. I can't wait to come for you. You're a racist fat. I'm coming for that ass. Don't worry. I have my paperwork. Don't worry. Don't worry. I had paperwork. I had paperwork too. I had my paperwork. And I'm being arrested for what? What am I being arrested for? Burglary?
Oh, you're trying to break out of your cuffs now. So now you're gonna get another charge. Up against the wall. You're about to get tased right now. Doing it.
Siri, call a car. Siri, call a car. Siri, call a car. Call a car. Call a car, Siri. No.
Roll over on your back. You're gonna stay right there on the ground.
You fat. Get the fuck out of my face. Before I spit on you. Get the fuck out of here. I have no respect for you, you GED, you dumb loser. Adverse possession is a law, and I'm gonna sue the fuck out of you for what you just did. I swear to fuck. Get the fuck away from me! You ugly fat fuck!
Do we need to wait for a female?
Let's just put her in the car.
I have mail coming too. I can't wait to see your ass. Fat fuck. Get the fuck off me, bitch.
This is when I started working out again 3 weeks ago.
I'll go check the inside with this guy.
6 and now we're gonna need animal control, 2 small dogs, possibly Pomeranians.
All right, let's go inside.
I wouldn't be surprised if there's somebody else in there. So the husband is involved in it as well. I didn't think it was her on her own.
Well, that's what she's been saying to her husband, but
Why does she think she has a right to have a property when other people have to save up a down payment? It's crazy.
all right, just go ahead and announce yourself.
Anybody here? Hello? There's some stuff in there. Paperwork. What about this? Shall I bring this out?
I'm just taking her personal stuff.
Get back, get back. Come through. Here's it. Look at this. They came prepared. Here's my sign on the floor. Here's the lockbox with the door handle. There's a baby buggy here. Thank God there's no baby in it. Well, I can't see one, can you? You know what, that's the dogs.
He even said, see me in 30 days, but you antagonized that I would get arrested.
There's our sheet. As you can see, if you want to take a picture of this, this is a sign-in sheet. Look at the dates we're here. We have a crew that come and clean it and make sure everything's okay.
You're trying to ruin my life? You see a black woman all by herself and I'm the mastermind all of a sudden?
Absolutely nothing about anything that we've done
you were trying to grab me
had
and you
anything
assumed
to
that I
do
was
with
gonna run
race.
away. When I tried to tell you the front door, go play with the front door right now and see if you can open it from the front.
Stay.
So according to this, in order to use adverse possession, you must move into and otherwise neglect it properly and improve the property, and the title can't be granted to you after a period of time, and it must be done in a visible manner such that is in conflict with the owner's right, none of which she does.
I'm not gonna cooperate.
It's okay. I'm just gonna do a quick pat either way because it's just for safety measures.
Safety measures for what? You got f***ing belts and everything on you. How safety for what?
You're getting
Look at
you're
me.
getting transported from one place to another.
I don't
so
care.
Either way, like I said, I can just hold you here and I can just do a pat real quick. But either way, it's gonna happen.
Don't touch
And then
me.
I got to.
I have my own authority. I'm a sovereign citizen, so just don't touch me. Get the
Well,
fuck
we're going
away from
to,
me.
so-
Don't touch me.
Cooperate with the pat down.
You realize just how easy it is if you just.
Touch me.
I just.
How big are your legs? If you spit on me, you're gonna get charged with
What's
additional
that?
Get out of me. Get out of me. Get out of me. Get.
Put on the wrap.
Don't touch me, you piece of trash. Get the f away from me. It's you, bitch. You guys broke it.
It's not broke. It's not
It's
broken.
broken.
It's not broken.
It's broken.
It's not. She's already gotten out once. Oh, you slipped out of these before. So right now you're sitting here, and you can put these handcuffs behind your back.
I don't like you guys anymore. Like, I hate you all. And I hope you guys dies, and I hope your children dies. Like, I don't like you guys. And I can't wait for sovereign citizens to just come through. And like, when that war begins, I can't wait. Don't talk to me. I'm an American. And I want to be the face of that war too.
Hi, I'm Officer Espinosa with Orange County Animal Services. I'm gonna be taking your two dogs, okay?
Can you
hold on.
take the number?
Listen,
Can
hold
you?
on.
Can you
Okay,
take the
well, then
number?
I'm not-
Okay, bye, bitch. Bye, bitch. Bye, ugly bitch. That's why your skin sucks.
Are you, on behalf of them, wanting to press charges for all this against her?
I'll check with the asset manager. Can I get back to you?
Well, the entire point of what we're doing is that you gave us the impression you wanted to press charges. If you're going to come back and say no, we have to let her go.
No, let's do it.
They can always change their minds and have the charges dropped later.
They
but
can,
if,
yeah.
if you being the
okay.
representative
Yep.
want to press charges on their behalf, they can change their minds later.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can say no and we can release her.
Let me ask you a question. What do you think we should do then?
I cannot give you legal advice. I mean, regardless, I'm going to arrest her for the resisting charges.
And damage?
Well, that's on you guys. That's what I'm saying. Even if you don't know their firm answer right now, you are the representative. You can
Right.
say yes to it right now. If they change their minds,
Okay.
the state attorney's office will be contacting them regardless, and they would change their minds then.
Okay, put your hand behind your back then.
Break my wrist. You're not my authority. Break my wrist.
I ain't breaking no wrist.
Break my no. Break my arm.
Put your hands together. Come out. Come out.
Let's just wait for the wrap.
Okay.
I said no, right?
Oh, you're gonna.
I said no, right?
Get on the
I'll
other
file him
side.
up. What's up?
Don't make it,
I'll
man.
file him up. Get the f away from me. Get the f away from me.
Ma'am, you really need to stop resisting.
Nope. Get off me.
Oh, not attention. Now you have assault and battery on a police officer. Congratulations.
Awesome.
There you go. We're good there. We're good.
When you have her ankles tightened, I'll pull her over them in the grass.
Yep. Now pull over.
We're good?
Roll on your back.
Stop resisting.
Please back up.
Roll over onto your back. All right, let me lift. Let me lift. There you go. There you go. Grab it.
You are doing this to yourself.
I don't care. You're hurting me.
Get off! Get off of me! You can't do this shit. I'm a human!
Get off!
How is this legal? Get off of me!
Just in case, let me take the helmet. I don't know how she's going to react to this one.